Okay, here we are in Westford, just outside Wellington. Just pulled up, and this is what we've got to take down. You see the sun's hitting the lens. It's Ramshackle garage. Look at it. So that's got to come down. Morning. Down here, and we've got to cut back all this. These brambles down to the ground. Back there's a wall behind there somewhere, back to that wall. The dogs waiting to come out.
One thing I did want to ask.
Yeah.
Hello.
I just finished now, and we'll come back and have a look at it later. Okay, we're part way through. We've been here about an hour and a half. Let's have a look at it. Got the generator going for the power. And this is what it's looking like now. Look around here. Mike's cut this back. Just going to scrape it back because there's a concrete pad under here. There's the back of the garage. Anyways, going in there. Okay, we'll have a look at it at the end. Okay, we've been here just over 3 hours. So that's how far we've got so far. Just going to take these supports down, and then that will probably just fall over that. I'll just push that over. If not, I'll just chainsaw it, but it's quite rotten at the bottom, so it'll probably just fall over. And I'll take the tin off it, and then we just got to go through. There is actually a concrete base here, so we're going to go down to the concrete base, clear that green waste off there. So slowly but surely we're getting there. Okay, we'll have a look at it later. Okay, the garage is down now. And we just got to clear this wall. All the green waste and stuff on the ground. It's a fair amount really when you look at it. It's probably going to be 1/4 of a tonne plus, 1/3 of a tonne possibly of green waste and roots. God knows what else. Right, we'll have a look at it later on. Okay, we've finished now, just got some stuff to load on, but it's getting dark soon. The sun's about to go down. Right, that's it. It's all done. All gone, a little bit of green waste to go on the trailer. One bag of non-recyclables, there's some rubble on there. There's the wood and the tin, corrugated iron. So that's it. One garage gone. Let's have a look. Mike's just coming down and put strimmers on his motor, so this is what it looks like now. Yet another one done. Customer's very happy. Okay.